When relationships fracture through betrayal, loss, or silence, the pain feels unbearable. Unlike physical wounds, heartbreak leaves no visible scars, yet its weight crushes the spirit. This is where Psalm 147:3 meets us. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. God sees what others overlook, your hidden anguish. Friends may offer cliches, time will heal, or vanish when grief lingers. Human love, though sincere, cannot reach the depths of your wound. The Bible acknowledges this. Even my close friend has turned away, Psalm 55 verse 12. Yet this very loneliness prepares us to encounter the one who never abandons. Psalm 147:3 isn't poetic metaphor, it's divine action. The Hebrew words rova to heal and chabash to bind depict a surgeon stitching wounds or a potter repairing shattered clay. God doesn't merely sympathize, he intervenes. Your pain, unseen by others, is his sacred focus. God's restoration isn't instantaneous erasure, it's a deliberate reconstruction. Like physical therapy for the soul, he realigns broken pieces through prayer, scripture, and unexpected grace. Even when you can't pray, Romans 8:26 assures, the Spirit himself intercedes. Your silence doesn't limit his work. Psalm 56:8 reveals God collects every tear in a bottle. He catalogs your sorrows. Unlike humans who grow weary of grief, God tracks each pang with precision. The Almighty isn't distant. He leans into your anguish like a parent cradling a wounded child, whispering, I am here. Healing begins with holy honesty. Jesus modeled this at Lazarus' tomb. He wept openly, John 11:35. God invites your raw cries, not polished prayers. Lament isn't distrust, it's faith holding fast amid pain. As you voice your ache, you create space for his comfort to enter. God's repair leaves scars, not as failures, but as testimonies. Like kintsugi pottery, your mended heart will bear golden seams where grace entered. Isaiah 40:29 promises he gives strength to the weary. The very places you fractured will become conduits of his resilience. Your restored heart equips you to bind others' wounds, just as Christ's scars became proof of resurrection, John 20 verse 27. Now you're his hands, offering the comfort you once received. This cyclical redemption mirrors 2 Corinthians 1:4. We can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive. Human love may falter, but God's vow stands firm. Never will I leave you, Hebrews 13:5. Your value isn't defined by those who left, but by the one who stays. Unlike shifting human emotions, his commitment is sealed with Christ's blood, an unbreakable guarantee. The same heart once shattered now radiates his restoration, not because pain vanished, but because God repurposed it. Like the mended jar in scene 3, your life holds divine light precisely through its cracks. Psalm 147:3 was never a platitude, it's your lived reality. The world will break you again, but never beyond his repair.